Okay, let me introduce myself a little because some of you may not be knowing me. Most of you don't know me. It's good. Achha, you know it. Okay. We know. Very intelligent. Most of you seems to be from CA final then. Possess very sharp brain. Could correlate two words we know. Right. That is the brand who is standing with me. Right. We know. So I am CA Rakesh Agrawal. I am better known for a subject of cost management and I have been teaching since last 30 years now. And I am associated with Vinod Kumar since a long time now. We are very good friends. And this person has been working hard in this lockdown phase. He has worked hard and done a lot of research and included all types of questions he included in his new book, which is going to be launched today in front of you. And that is financial reporting, the subject of CA final. And one of the difficult subjects of CA final nowadays is too voluminous, what I came to know. Just by looking at the volume of the module and the notes which he prepared, I felt very lucky that I passed long back. Right, sure, because the way the syllabus is been created by the institute nowadays and the volume which they are increasing and the difficulty level, including my subject, is converted from practical to theoretical by institute. So we always feel happy that we cleared the exam long back and we don't have any intention to appear again to increase our score, not at all. I think none of the chartered accountants in India would be willing to appear again for these exams again because we will lose the certificate unnecessarily by daring to do this. So, but you people have a lot of challenge, but then you people are much more intelligent than us. And that's a fact. So, actually what institute is doing, institute is trying to match the syllabus with your intelligence level. So, with the growing intelligence of the students, right, institute has to cope up with that intelligence, no, and therefore the level of syllabus is going up. Anyway, but this fellow is a very intelligent fellow throughout merit, right, in foundation, intermediate, CA final, plus he has done CPA from US with flying colors, right. So CPA USA also he cracked in the first attempt with very high score. And I know he can, even if today also he tries to appear for any of the exams, I am sure he will clear the exam with all India rank, right, or all world rank if there are international courses. And he did a lot of research in this lockdown period because he got a lot of time. And he tried to include in his new FR book to be launched today all sorts of questions, everything from module, everything from RTP, MTP, exam papers and whatnot, whatever you get, and plus doing the research and getting the questions from other resources also, and made it a self-sufficient book, I think, for those who want to do self-study, is it? Yes. So this book is specially designed for those who don't want coaching, those who feel capable of doing it on their own, but they want one comprehensive guide at one place, everything covered. So you don't have to refer to any other literature. With that intention, he has designed the FR book to be launched today, and he will tell you more about that book. Whatever I knew a little, I shared it with you. So over to Vinod Kumar. We know.
Good morning, everyone. And thank you, Rakesh sir, for such nice words and accepting our invitation to be the chief guest for the today's program. So I would first request Rakesh sir to inaugurate the book. So we will have the book opening ceremony today, and Honorable Rakesh sir would release the book. This book has 2 volumes. This is one volume. This is one volume, volume 1 and volume 2. It contains all question answers. Answers are also given, and the answers are not copied, pasted from institute material, which most other books normally have. We have discussed all these answers in the classroom. And the same answer which is taught to the student in the classroom in step-by-step manner, the same answer has been provided in the notes. Exactly same answer, because same answers we have covered in the classroom also. So as you know, in the classroom we take all the answer in step-by-step. We write down the notes. We write down the tutorial note at the end of the answer. We also write down where the institute has made mistake in the question or the answer both. Is it right? So all this you will find my comment also there that this answer is wrong given in institute book, or you will find my comment question is wrong and still we have solved it. Okay. So you will find it very interesting to read.
What he said is very right. Nowadays, institute has started committing the mistakes in framing the question itself. Right, you'll notice it sometimes in the actual exam paper, not in RTP or MTP, in the exam. Now it's very difficult to find out that mistake, and it requires a lot of courage to amend the question slightly, to change the words of those wordings of this question slightly and change the answer. And that is the great thing. So it's not copy pasted thing, it is been corrected with our notes. And I think wherever required, he must have added that this is institute's view, this is
Yes.
our view.
There
If
are
there's a
questions-
conflict in the view.
Yeah.
Because we cannot justify a wrong view, though it is given by institute. Boss is always right, that is okay. But then we cannot say 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 because we are a teacher. We have to justify how it is 5. Institute can write. Institute can write 2 plus 2, 200 also. We don't mind. But then how we should justify? How we should justify? So we better prefer to write our own comments that this is what institute says, this is what we feel. And we have seen over a period of time.
These are the two books. These are the volume 1 and volume 2. So this covers all your Ind AS applicable for the syllabus, plus the theory chapters also, and it includes the amendments which have taken place till date. That means it covers amendment on schedule 3 also, which may be applicable for November or next year exam. Lease accounting, there was some amendment, or business combination, there are some amendments. So I will just give you some brief information about this book. Okay, so we'll begin with pricing only. Okay, so the book is priced at rupees 2,500 rupees, considering the volume involved, the printing involved. But right now for introductory discount, we will give you 30%. And if you are a Pune-based student, and if you can come to the office, we'll give you 300 rupees additional discount. That is the almost the courier cost that we don't have to incur, right?
This is
So
2 kg minimum.
no, this is 4.5 kg.
Oh my God.
The book is 4.5 kg. So the courier charges itself takes 5 to 600 rupees on all India basis. So that is the discount. And what will you get in this book? There is a comprehensive class note. All the notes that we have dictated in the classroom will be there. Theory would be there. Theory simplified way, not the institute material copied and pasted. Nothing is copied and pasted from the institute material. Okay, maybe except some answer which are theory question. All numerical questions have been solved independently by me and presented in the notes, plus all the theory also designed by me independently and given in the notes. So very simple language. And in YouTube link also we have given sample 10 pages, and you will see and you will understand that it is very different from the material of the institute, although everything is covered. Logic behind the concept is also written. Everywhere you will find logic, tutorial notes, why. So all the whys that will come into your mind, I am sure you will get an answer. Still, if you have any doubt on this booklet, because I have prepared it, you can ask me any query on any chapter on my email ID, and even to those who are just buying the books, I will reply to the queries on vinod_ca@yahoo.com. This book is applicable from December 21 exam, November, May 22, and even onwards exam. And of course, it will continuously get updated. So right now, if you are appearing in these 3 exams, you can easily purchase it, and amendments will happen. We'll come out with new editions later. What is the feature of this book? That your syllabus will be completely covered. All chapters from introduction of Ind AS till the last chapter, theory chapter, which is integrated accounting, corporate social responsibility, those are also covered. Schedule 3 questions are also covered. Fully designed for exam purpose. Fully designed for exam purpose, exactly what you have to write in the exam. Not more, not less. And complete conceptual clarity. Student who cannot study from video lecture can still read from this book, and you will understand. We have covered all study material questions, including the question which are given at the end, test your knowledge, including the recent about 200 questions which were added by the institute. Those have been added at the respective places. The advantage of this book is on any topic, subtopic, question will be there only, whether it was asked in RTP, MTP or exam. Otherwise, you will have to sit down with multiple books. Here, if there is a question on, let us say, lease modification, all lease modification question in any material of the institute is at one place. All questions on compound instrument asked in RTP, MTP, idhar udhar, all these are covered in one place only. So that one concept will have 8, 10, 15 questions at one place. Okay, then the answers are covered in step by step manner. Everywhere I have written step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Interlinking of steps have been done, so that student will not have a doubt how this figure has come. I have in bracket written step 7. Go to step 7, there is a working note of that. Okay, and answers are usually written in step by step manner, so it is automatically flowing. Then the theory is also presented in a simple language, not in the technical way of writing a paragraph. Institute one line goes into 8 or 10 sentences. Okay, then there is a full stop. By the time I reach the end of the paragraph, I forget what was written in the first line. But we have broken those into small sentences. Difficult words have been simplified into easy words. Student from Hindi medium also can read this book. Of course, the language of the book is English, but Hindi medium student can also understand. Those who are not very comfortable with English in video recording, you can use this book. The amendments are also covered. All the important amendments applicable for exams are covered with examples also. Like in business combination, there are amendment in definition of business, or in lease, there is amendment in lease modification. So with examples we have covered. And some of the difficult chapters like financial instrument, consolidation, revenue, Ind AS 115, leases, Ind AS 116, we have taken large number of practice in the classroom itself, that is in the notes itself. You will find all the questions which we have dictated or practice in the classroom. For example, in consolidation, we have 95 questions. In financial instrument, we have 200 plus questions covered in the class. To be very precise, maybe 235 questions. And on revenue, we have exactly 100 questions covered in class. And on leases, we have 87 or 88 questions covered in class, and the same answer will be provided to the student only. Total number of questions covered are 1700 plus. And I have to restrict myself, because then the book would have become even voluminous. And it can be used by CMA student also, because they also have a corporate financial reporting subject. They have Ind AS, they can use it. And if you qualify also, then also this book you can keep it forever. Anytime you have to refer for any concept, more specifically how the accounting of that will be done in debit credit format, that will be there in this book. Because most of the books in the market, they give theory part, explanation, but exactly what debit and what credit you have to do is not really explained in the book. So it will be very useful even for qualified people, because most CAs are in the market who have qualified under old GAAP, and now we are going to use the new Ind AS, and very soon the old AS will be removed from India. And even for intermediate, we will have Ind AS only. Even for small firms, there will be only Ind AS. So sooner or later, in next few years, no corporate will follow accounting standard. Every corporate will follow Ind AS. So one nation, one standard. Okay? One nation, one standard. You can purchase the book from our website, vino.in. There is a link on the screen, and that link is shared in the YouTube, that what is called description box, or you can visit our office, Since a lot of students who are sitting right now, you can purchase it from the office. Office address is there, email address is there. You can contact us. Some sample pages are there in YouTube description. If you want more detail, you can call us or you can email us. So my effort for last 2 years, which I have taken for compiling this book, thanks to the lockdown, it finally saw the light of the day. So we have found out something better to do even during this lockdown period, and I'm sure you'll benefit from it. Thank you very much. All the best. And I'm always at your help. Any query on Ind AS relating to your CA final syllabus, you can mail it to me. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.